Hey friends! In today's video, we're going to cover 5 major mistakes that can completely prevent your body transformation. If you don't correct them quickly, your muscles won't grow and your physique will never reach its true potential. So pay close attention and watch until the end. Let's jump right in. Mistake number 1. Overlooking digestion. Building muscle isn't just about the amount of protein you consume. It's about how well your body digests and absorbs it. You can drink protein shakes all day long, but if your digestive system isn't functioning properly, your muscles won't benefit. Healthy digestion is the foundation of muscle growth, so make it a priority. Without it, progress is almost impossible. Mistake number 2. Skipping morning protein. After sleeping for 7 to 8 hours, you wake up on an empty stomach. Most people start their day with tea or juice, but neglect protein. And that's a critical error. Having protein first thing in the morning boosts absorption and enhances protein synthesis, which means your body uses it more effectively for muscle building. Always include protein in your breakfast if you want faster results. Mistake number 3. Keeping unhealthy habits. Certain habits silently weaken your body and stunt muscle growth. Many people try to quit them overnight, but that usually doesn't work. The harder you force yourself, the stronger the urge becomes. The smarter approach is to cut back gradually, step by step, until you fully let go. Keep in mind that excess of anything drains your energy and strength and slows your progress. If you're serious about strength and muscle development, start breaking those habits today. The impact of excessive masturbation. One habit many overlook is excessive masturbation. Overdoing it drains your energy and forces your body to use energy on sperm production instead of muscle growth. This can reduce stamina, slow down recovery, and make weight gain harder. That's why controlling and gradually reducing this habit is so important if you want to build real strength and maintain good health. Mistake number 4. Skipping warm-ups. Another common mistake is heading straight into heavy workouts without warming up. Some people immediately grab heavy dumbbells, while others jump into bodyweight training unprepared. This is risky and limits performance. Your body needs at least 10 minutes of warm-up, whether that's light cardio, jogging, or lifting lighter weights first. Warming up activates your muscles, increases blood flow, and tells your brain to release testosterone, a key hormone for muscle growth. Mistake number 5. Lacking consistency. Finally, none of these tips matter unless you're consistent. Pay attention to your digestion, take protein in the morning, quit harmful habits, avoid wasting your energy, and never skip warm-ups. Stick with these steps, and you'll notice your body transforming much sooner than you expect. So friends, how did you like this video? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.